Hello, good people. My name is Tatenda Chiwanga and Zimbabwe. So today we're going to be talking about small-scale gold mining, aka Chikorokoza. I hope you like my intro. So what is gold mining? Mining is the process of obtaining minerals from the earth or from the ground, and in Zimbabwe gold is a controlled mineral. That means for you to be in possession of gold ore or unprocessed gold, you need relevant paperwork, and this relevant paperwork applies to jewelers, miners, prospectors, and people within that sort of field where you're handling gold on pretty much a daily basis. So there are various ways of mining, but in Zimbabwe, underground mining or shaft mining is advised. All other forms of, say, alluvial or surface gold mining can be a bit tricky, and you need special grants from the government or from the Ministry of Mines. So depending on which part of the gold industry you want to be involved in, most licenses can be obtained from the Ministry of Mines. The first step in your journey to become a miner is for you to obtain what is known as a prospective license. This just means you've been granted permission to take samples and conduct geological assessments within the prospective areas that you're hoping to start mining in. And the reason you're doing this is for you to obtain what is known as a claim, and a claim just means permission for you to conduct your mining on public land. And at this very time, it is advisable for you to buy a map from the Ministry of Mines, which contains the claims that have been claimed by other people, so that you don't waste time. Also, you don't trespass in other people's claims as well. It makes it a bit easier to work with that way. As a side note, Zimbabwe prioritizes mining over other industries like agriculture, housing, etc. So this just means that any other industry can be displaced to accommodate a lucrative mine. If you remember back in the days of the Chiwanga diamond mines, a lot of people were relocated to other places to accommodate the diamond mines. After you locate a place, right, where you would like to start your mine, it is advisable to go to the Ministry of Mines, tell them where you've located your place, give them the information, and they have to do a check whether this parcel of land has been claimed or is still within the process of actually being claimed by someone. A simpler way to get a claim would be to buy a claim that has already got its paperwork already, or be a partner in one that's existing. If you're going to be using explosives on your mine, so these are dynamites, you're going to need what is known as a restricted explosives license, and this can also be obtained from the Ministry of Mines. Right, so now that you've got your claim registered, right, you need to hold up on the picks and shovels, because before you even start, you need to register your project with the Environmental Management Agency, aka EMA, and these guys can be a pain. You have no idea, but I do understand why they have to do that, because they have to manage your impact to the environment, because trust me, mining can be a disaster to the environment, but then again, it can be managed and can be done in a good way. And what this organization needs from you is your project plan, and this is a huge document stating how you're going to be impacting the place you're going to be working at. So this is going to involve health and safety, this is going to involve the fauna and flora that are there at the place, how you're going to preserve it, and this is also going to be a document that's going to be talking about fire risk, fire safety, fire procedures. There's going to be talking about human waste. So after all of these steps are done, right, you're almost good to go. I hope this gives you sort of like a brief idea of the legal paperwork that you need before you start. And on the next video that I'm going to be rolling out, I'm going to be talking about more on the equipment side and the services. If you liked this video and you thought that it was informative, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if these are the things that you enjoy, this is the place that we talk about. Be on the lookout for more stuff similar to this. And if you have any other questions or you've got something to add, please let's chat in the comment section below. And I would love to hear what you think about this video, what you think about the mining industry, things that you might need to know that I know that I didn't talk about in this video. I will try to get back to you, give you some answers. Thank you for joining me, and see you again.